Hi, Uncle. Today I'm chatting with, I love Frankenstein 20. So, just telling her about, she's gonna make a vid of me chatting with her. She's pretty nice. So, that's what she's doing. Chatting chat. And her channel. Check it out. And I subscribe to her. And she's got to me back. So, this is Mr. I. Like, Claudia and I. Check out my channel. Bye. Don't be scared. I love Frankenstein. Bye.